Hello fellow YouTubians, my name's Terry Andrews Jr., also known as the J5 Guru. I'm going to be putting in the threaded rods into the, this adjusts the rear idler on the track tip. Going to be using red thread locker. This is meant to be a permanent bond. Okay, so this is meant to be one piece. All of these parts have been thread chased, deburred. They've been cleaned with 91% IPA, both in the threads and, the part itself. Also over here, don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. I have the threaded rods that I have cut to length and deburred the ends, cleaned them up, filed them. These are 2.75 inches in length. One reason I'm making this video is you'll see the painter's tape on here. So this thread locker does not cure in the presence of air. And I want the thread locker to cure throughout the entire thing. And since this is a through hole, I want to make sure that the back of the through hole actually cures. And this is my way to try to promote that. Which is to put the painter's tape over the hole, thus cutting off the air supply, the oxygen, and it should cure right up to the very end, in theory. You will find out tomorrow when I do. Red thread locker, everything's clean, 91% IPA. Okay, so I'm gonna, being careful not to touch the end, I'm gonna thread in here. A little bit of red thread locker there. Just trying to work it in there. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to put my finger at the back of the tape because as I push this in, it may be, may want to push the tape out. Let me see. And there we go. And just thread that baby in there. And I can feel it on the tip of my finger hitting. I can see all the threads, so there we go. I'm not going to worry about wiping off the excess because this is exposed to the air. This will remain a liquid. And my thinking is that it again will prevent air, that the surface will prevent the air from getting on the inside, and it should cure right up to the top side here also. So, and I'm setting this off. Do another one here. Okay, got that. Being careful not to touch. There we go. I think I went a little bit too heavy on the last one. The thread locker's not cheap. Here we go. Hopefully you can see this. And come on, get in there. Here we go. Going in. I'm taking it in a little bit, backing it out a little bit, and back in. I'm stopping right there. That's it. I set it off to the side here. Do one more, and then we will come back. After 24 hours, these have to cure for 24 hours. Come back tomorrow and see what we got. Again, going in. Just like that. All right. And down. All right, that's it. I'll be back tomorrow. All right, and we're back. So it has not been 24 hours-ish. It's actually been about 2 weeks. I forgot to make the second part of this video, and I had so many things going on. Yeah, I kind of forgot about it. So, okay, the results. I pulled the tape off of these. I will note the ones where I did not put some down in here prior to inserting the threaded rod, you will see that there is no Loctite that showed through at the bottom. After I, took the tape off and seen this, I went on to the Loctite website, and sure enough, in order to get in a blind hole, you need to put like a drop or so down in there. So on the ones where I did that, you can clearly see that there is thread locker that went all the way through. This one, the tape apparently wasn't sealed up as much. Okay. And to answer the age-old question, so yes, these will only cure in the absence of oxygen. Okay. And let me see here. Just grab a rag just to show you. So this is one that I've already cleaned off. Okay. But yeah, if there's oxygen, yeah, see this here is just, well, these were sitting on top of one another, so apparently there wasn't oxygen. But yeah, like here, yeah, you just take and pretty much wipe it off. Any hard residue that you have, like right there, okay, just take a wire brush and you can knock that off pretty much. Or if a wire brush don't work, let me see here. If a wire brush don't work, just take something, this is a metal spudger, and just kind of, see how that comes off. That is hard in there, so, but yeah, just work it around, break that loose. It's all aesthetics. There you go, just like that. Just like that. And then the wire brush should be able to just kind of remove the rest of it. And yeah, I mean, I'd work on that a little bit more, but you can see. So yeah, same thing here, where it won't wipe off. Just take and just kind of give it a little scrape there. Let's see here. Do I have something better? Sure I do. Let's see if a razor, yep, razor blade works beautifully. But see, I had these setting on top of each other, so if there was liquid in there, just the act of setting them on top of each other would be enough of a keep the air out just enough to, yeah, I'm not going to use that. But yeah, you can see it just, yep, it does scrape off. There it goes. So yeah, there we go. So when doing these, yeah, put a drop down in prior to putting the, the threaded stud down in. So there you go. All right, that's it. Hope you learned something. Terry Andrews Jr., J5 Guru, saying bye for now.